Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will be walking you through how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. So without delaying any more further, let's just jump into the video. So first thing is to open a document in which you want to create a drop-down. Here, let's suppose that I would like to create a drop down in the C column. Same with the D and E. Here, tap on the data from the menu and then go for data validation. Here, tap on criteria and then on there be a list of options. Tap on list of items. Right beside the list of items, you'll be asked to enter the items separated by comma. Just here I'm entering any random thing such as test 1, test 2 and test 3. After that, click on save. Now right at the column under C, you will there see an arrow like icon. Tap on it. This is showing you the drop down icon. So after you tap, you will there get a list of items. So choose any one that you would like to fill, and that's it. This is how you successfully make a drop down in your Google Sheets. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.